Hi, I'm Arceus, god of Pokemon. Despite the recent video I've posted, you still don't care and want to put me in death battle. I've prepared a Pokemon emergency alarm system just in case this happens. I had Garantina make a pre-recorded message just in case I got Shanghai to somewhere and lose my life in a death battle. I'm sorry to say that we have lost our dear god Arceus to Screw Attack. Now because of this, the Digimon will take all of us. We have no choice but to end our miserable lives. This message will repeat until there's no one left to hear it. Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good. Thank you for watching this video.